Hey folks, welcome back to another edition of Tech Time with Tanner. I'm Jim Tanner, and I'm here today to talk to you about 7 of our systems that I've got lined out here. And we're really going to talk about just the product innovation that comes with our 8th and 9th gen core processors. Off on my left here, this thing is awesome. This is our 9th gen Core i9 9900K overclockable. This thing is fantastic. If you've got a customer coming in talking about gaming and they want to build their own system, this is the aspirational. This is where you want to point them. You can do multiple different things, LED lights. This thing will be fantastic for them. So again, you got a gamer, look at them doing something like this. Moving on a little bit to the side here is our 8th gen T-Series processor inside of an all-in-one. And the reason we do that is because then you can get the powerful Intel Core processor built into an all-in-one, and it can cool better. A nice platform that you want to sell to a customer who's looking to realistically clean up their desk, yet still have that power to edit videos, edit photos, and get their work done quickly. All right, moving over to the gaming side again. So what I have here is an 8950HK mobile processor. This thing is for any of your gamers who come in and they want to take their gaming on the road. Also, if you have a creator in your business who maybe they want to go out and they're doing some vlogging and they want to edit their videos quickly, this is the processor to do that on because it's an HK, so it's overclockable, folks. One last thing that's neat about this system from Asus is it has this additional screen at the bottom. So I can pull this down and now I can do different things. Like I can pull up my media player, I can pull up a calculator, I can actually make it a second monitor. So think about it this way, if you've got somebody who's thinking about streaming, they can play their game here and actually look at their stream down on what was typically a trackpad. How cool is that? All right, so now moving over, this is one of my favorites because this is the system I carry around the world. I've gone all over the place with this system from HP. It's our U series. It gives me long battery life. I am in love with this thing. And it has everything built in. I've got 2 Type-C connections. One is Thunderbolt, which allows me to transfer up to 40 gigabits per second, so just fantastic. If you have these, make sure you get them in your customer's hands because they're super thin and light. All right, moving over to the Dell device here. Also a 2-in-1. It is also really cool. It's got our U-series processor in there. We've done one step further. The Intel team has worked with the Dell team and Amazon to incorporate Alexa on this device. So now you have a voice recognition tool built into the laptop. So if you have a customer in your store and they're looking at maybe buying one of those little pucks and setting them around their house, hey, introduce them to a laptop that can do the same thing, and it's with them wherever they go. So this is a device from Microsoft. This is their Surface laptop. The neat thing about this one is Microsoft has gone the extra mile to really make it look sharp. This is in burgundy. They come in 3 different colors, and they've wrapped it in this suede feel for where your hands sit, so you're not just resting on plastic. It really feels good. And finally, they buried the speakers down below there, so you get this encompassing sound, really nice sound if you have a device, a customer is looking for something like this. So what about Chrome? Your customers may not know that Chromebooks now come with Intel Core processors. In some of the markets that we have, make sure that if your market is a Chrome market that you look at an Intel Core-based system because they're more powerful than ever before. So as you can see, we have a great set of devices from Chromebooks with Core to stylish Surface laptop on the go. Powerful all-in-one devices with 4K displays and incredible gaming systems, all with either 8th or 9th gen Intel Core processors. Hey, as always, your questions or comments are greatly appreciated, so please take a minute to type them down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, this is Jim and you've been watching Tech Time with Tanner. Thank you for watching.